All right, if you've got window wells that you'd like to put a cover over to protect from maybe kids falling down or certainly waterproofing it, so to speak, I'm going to show you around something that I found recently from a relative who had built this out. A little framed system of 2x4s here with some deck screws, putting it all together. And you can see here at the top this kind of clear corrugated plastic roofing that you kind of overlap with one another. They come in these little sheets, and you cut them down with some tin snips, or however you wish to cut them, and then you secure them to the top of the 2x4s with these special screws that kind of have a seal underneath them that basically kind of waterproof around it so no water gets down there as well. You can see we've got some water penetration happening a little bit, but generally it looked pretty efficient and pretty cool. So I thought I'd make a little video if you're looking to window or waterproof your window wells. Here's the tin snips I was talking about earlier, and this can get kind of arduous. You want to make sure you cut it not shy of, you want to have a little bit of overhang, an inch or two. Should be fine so that the water could come out. And notice the slope too, right? You want to build your frame or make it rest in a way that it has some slope so your water runs away from your house and doesn't go just to the side, or certainly not backwards leaking into the side of the house. You want it to drain properly. But this is how you can cut that stuff. It's just plastic, and you got to be careful, wear some gloves because it gets pretty jagged because it's not a perfect cut. It's a bit cumbersome, like I said, to try to work that tin snips around. But you could take a file off if you have kids or something, walking around this. Take a file and file those jagged pieces down, or maybe some sandpaper too would work, but metal file should be fine. Should take care of those plastic jagged edges. So that's kind of what I wanted to show you today. And of course, if you have any sharp corners too, you could cut those at like a 45-degree angle and get rid of those sharp corners as well. Like, see that sharp corner right there? You could just take your tin snips or scissors or something and clip that out. So hopefully this has helped you think about a solution for your problem. Thanks so much.